All right. Today I'm going to be taking you on you can summarize your data using SQL. Data summarization using SQL. Now we are going to go about it. First thing to do. This is our SQL browser. We open database. Select our database where it is located. Data SQL. I always use this one every time just to activate my SQL browser. Next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to file. In the file, I will import CSV file. CSV file, I open CSV file. Here it is, data one. Now this is the data. You can see something like this. These are the names. If you click on column name in the first field, you will see something like this. Make sure you don't allow it. Remove it by clicking here to remove it. Then click OK. This there is already a name. This do you want to import it? Yes to all. Let's look at it here. It's already here. Now let's go to execute. We say how we can summarize data using SQL. How our data can be summarized by using SQL. First thing first is to view all the data by using the query select all. Select all from data underscore one. This is running. This is our data. If you look at this, our data has from 1 to, you can see 2026 data. They are much. You can see it very, very plenty. Now, how can you summarize it? Like in the form of a pivot table for analysis. We summarize it here, summarize by year, by month, by region, by sales rep, brand, industry channel, on against total sales. Total sales. That is it. We, this is how the first thing we are going to do this information twice. We have combo, where we use combo. But for now, let us do for this one first. The first thing to do first, now you have select all, go to the next line. Let's do for year. I will comment year for the year now. For the year, just select year. I will select year, comma, year. I'm summing sales. Sum sales. I'm summing sales. Sales as total sales per year. Total sales per year from our data one. Group by year. End of the code. Select year, total sum of the year and total sales per year and total sales per year, as sales per year. When you do that, let's run it and see what it's going to give us. Group by year, because we have the year, we have the group by year. Let's run it. See what I'm going to have. 2013, you can see it. 2013, 14, 15. This is the total sales per year. Total sales per year for 2013, 14, and 15. Then you can now highlight it, copy with header, and take it to Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel. Open your Microsoft Excel and take it here. See what I go to. This is our Excel. Then you paste it here. Having pasted it here, you have it here already. You can expand it, then highlight it, and instantly you can even try to plot your graph immediately. But for now, let's not plot graph. Rename this one as for year, as year. That we have done. Let's pick the next one. Our next one now will be what? What is going to be the next one? Let's go again. Select all. Let's go to our select all again. Select all and run it. Now we have done for year. You can see we have done for year. What I'm going to do now is for the month. Region says let's do for the month now. Now just select this one. Now you have done for year. Let's do for the month. For month. Let's do for the month. For the month now, you just select this and come and paste it here. Paste. Instead of year, you replace it with month. Here, you replace it with month. Paste it with month. Month, total sum of total sales. You now be sales per month now. Sales per month. You can see, you run it. See what you are going to have. Sales per month. April, August, arranged alphabetically. A start first before the next letter. So it's not going to be January, February, no. You're going to arrange alphabetically. You can now highlight all like this. Right click, copy with header, go to your Excel and paste it in this second place here. Look at it. Increase it, sales per month. Now rename this one as our month. Are you seeing it? That one is done. You can also increase here if you wish. Then you can also rearrange it. If you want to do that, you can rearrange it. You can sort. You can sort it A to Z. If you want to sort it, sort A to Z. The same thing A to Z again, no change because it's already arranged. You cannot say January, February, no. This one arranged alphabetically or you can arrange in a descending or ascending order. This is our data to summarize for the month. Then the next one is going to be our next data now will be let's go back again and select all. But don't forget to put your semicolon, which is the end of one line of code. Our next data is going to be region. Let's do for region. You have sales rep for region now. Now for region now, this region for region now. Next line. Just select this one again. Select this and paste it here. Select region. Region. Sales per region. Then this one again. Region. When you do that, you run your code. See what I have per region. Canada, China. Then accordingly again, you highlight all of them. Like click, copy with header, go to your this thing and paste it here. Rename it to what? Region. After you increase it to have sales per region. Sales per region. Then that is sales per region. Then total sales per region. We have done that. The next one is sales rep. I think so. But let's check it. This is sales rep. Let's highlight it again. Highlight, paste, and run. We have done for region. Now sales rep, brown, industry and the rest. So we have done for this now. For sales, let's do for brown. We have done it for sales rep. Now let's go there for sales rep. This one is a comment. Sales rep. You can see it. Now select this again. Don't need to be writing your code. Just select. They are the same thing. Paste it and change it to sales rep. Sales rep. Come here by sales rep. Sales rep. You can see it. Sales rep. Yeah, also sales rep. Now having done that, you run your code. See what I'm going to have by sales rep. Then you highlight this sales per sales rep, highlight it, and if I click on it, copy with header, come to Excel. Here will now be sales, sales rep, sales rep. You paste it here, paste. You can increase, increase it. That is all for sales rep. Now we have done for the year, month, region, sales rep, data summarization. Now the next one I'm going to do now is our after sales rep. You know the one we are going to do. After you must always show it to avoid mistake. Must always show it. The next one I'm going to do is our brand. Brand. So let's do for the brand. Okay. Brand. Now just select this one again. I like this. Copy for the brand. Okay, let's continue. For the sales rep, you can see what we are doing for the sales rep. So we are going to do it like that. We are going to do it like that for every other one, for industry, channel, and sales. Actually, we're going to do for brand, industry, and channel for data summarization. That is how we are going to do. Now, looking at the data now, we have done for this is for sales per sales rep, which we have already done for sales rep. Then the next one we are going to do now, our next one we are going to do is our brand, sales brand. This brand, our sales brand by brand. When you run the code of the brand, you can see sales per brand. Can you see it? Highlight it, right click on it, copy, go to Excel, rename this one to brand, and then paste your work here for the brand. Sales per brand. That is all. Then the next one is again is sales by industries. You can see sales by what? Industries. Sales by industry. For the industry, you run it. This is for the industry. You right click on it as well. Highlight it, right click and come and paste here. You name this one as sales by industries. Sales by industries. Right click on it and put industries. Yes. Then the last one is sales by what? Channel. Sales by channel. You run it. Then you select the charges. I click on it and copy with header. Come and paste it here for sales by channel, which we have done. Then right click on it and change it to panel channel. That is all. Now you can see that our data has been summarized by year, by month, region, sales, brand, industry, and channel. The next thing to do is to just apply our usual graph, sales per year. You know, that one is your choice. You know the kind of graph you have to apply. Me, I will just apply all chart. Let me just put bar chart here and click OK. Bar chart. The next one by month, I will use column chart for this. Under the chart, I will recommend chart, use column chart. I use column chart. Yes, let me use column chart. Okay, the next one, region. Region, can use your pie chart. Can use our pie chart for the region. All charts can use pie chart. And change your pie chart to this, anyone you want to use, or this, any of your choice. Pie chart. Then sales rep. Sales rep, you can use line chart. Line chart for sales rep. All chart, line chart. You can select any one of your choice here and apply it for brown, can use any chart here for the brown. Can just select any chart of your choice here. Can use the same area. Can use area for brown. Can use bar again. Anyone. Can even use column for brown. Can use it of your choice. Industries, you can use any of these charts. You can use, let's just use area chart, area for industries, area chart, channel, channel. They are going to use bar chart as well for channel. It doesn't matter. What matters most is your data presentation. You can use bar chart for channel. That is all. The next thing you should do is for you to format your chart and make it look good. Then design your design your dashboard and everything presented. But this data was given to you in CSV format to use SQL to summarize them. These are the code for the SQL. These are the code. The first one is for the year. This is the code for the year. The other one is for month, region, all of that. How you saw. Thank you for listening and have a blessed day. We shall meet again in our next lesson. God bless you.